everyone. Remember we've been talking about number combinations and splitting numbers into two parts. We're going to do some more work with that today, and we're going to color some trains. So to start out with, you'll need to pick two crayons, and they can be any two colors that you want. They should be different colors. Okay, so your train has cars that are only two colors. Okay, so pick those two colors, and you'll need your papers that look like this, and then we'll get started. Okay, so here we are. This is what your paper looks like today. You might have a different number besides 6, but we'll use the 6th page for our demonstration today. So you're going to take your two colored crayons and you're going to color in the cars of your train. You can color them in any way that you want. So some are green, some cars are green, some cars are purple for me because I picked green and purple. Whatever colors you picked, you'll do some in one color and some in the other color. And it doesn't matter how you choose to do it. Okay, I'm going to do mine like this. And I'm just kind of doing mine randomly here. I'm going to do another one here. Okay, so after you build your car, see the number 6 here? There should be 6 cars in our train. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after you finish coloring your train, we're going to count how many cars of each color there are. So I'm going to look at my green first. I have 1, 2, 3 green cars on my train. So right here on this first line, I'm going to make a 3. And I'm going to color my purple cars. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then I can read this. 3 and 3 make 6. That's one combination for 6. 3 and 3. Then I'm going to color another train. Now here comes the tricky part. My next train has to be different than the train up there. So up here I had 3 greens. So now I have to make a different number of green cars. So I'm going to do, since I don't want to have 3, since I already did 3, I'm going to do 2 greens. And I'll just do them right here. And then I'm going to color the rest of my cars purple. See, my train still only has 2 different colored cars. That's all it can have. Okay, and now I'm going to count. How many green cars? 1, 2. How many purple cars? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. 2 and 4 make 6. Okay, then I have one more train to color down here. Now this has to be different than my other 2. So up here I had 3 greens and here I had 2 greens. Now I'm going to just do, how about 1 green? You know, you could even do 0 of one color if you wanted to. Your train can have 2 colored cars, and you could even color the whole train with just one of these colors, but you cannot have a train with 3 colors, okay? It's just gonna have these 2 colors, or one of these colors if you choose. And if you choose to do just one of the colors, like if I chose to do just purple, what number would I put for my green cars? How many green cars would there be? Right, that would have been 0, right? If I did that, if I did 0 green, and then I'd count how many purple. But I didn't do 0. So I did 1 green. So I'm going to put 1 here, and I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice when I count, I only point to 1 at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, over, around, put a cap on it. 5. And then I'm going to read it. 1 and 5 make 6. Okay, then when you finish a page, I want you to go back and read all your number combinations again. 3 and 3 make 6. 2 and 4 make 6. 1 and 5 make 6. Are those all different ways to make 6? Yes, they are all different ways to make 6. Okay, so this is what I want you to do today. I want you to do this on each of your pages. And you'll be working with some different numbers. On each page, you'll have different numbers to work with. So this one was making 6. And so you'll do whatever number you have here, that's how many cars you have in your train, right? And you're going to create a number combination for that amount of cars. Okay, so, and you'll do that for whatever numbers you have here. So you're going to do that for 3 different pages, okay? So you're going to start with your first number. So this one is 6. So we're starting with 6. And I want you to start with 6 too. And then you're going to do the same thing for 7. And then I want you to do the same thing again for 8. Okay, so you're going to color in your cars and then write out the combinations for each of your cars. Okay, so go ahead and work on that first. Number 6, number 7, and number 8. Okay, everyone, go ahead and get to work.